Yo, what is good, y'all? I am back with another video, and man, I'm telling you, this one right here, y'all, this one is, I don't know, it's got a lot, going on, man. It's a lot of damage on this thing. I actually, in my opinion, I think it's probably total. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we'll see. Let's go. Let me show y'all what I'm working on. All right, y'all. This is the baby right here. Damage area right here. The bed is cooked, the cab is cooked, the door is cooked, and on the other side of the bed is actually another spot where there's a lot of damage. And also this fender up here is cooked. He's gonna replace the fender, and he's actually thinking about just go ahead and replacing the door and the bed, because I actually recommended it. But when he dropped it off, he was asking me about possibly fixing it, and I was kind of like, I don't know, we'll see. So I told him I'll bang on it a little bit to see what I can get to work out. But we're gonna try and work this baby out, man. Really trying not to have this one too long, even though it is a lot of work. But let's get straight into it, y'all. What's up, y'all? Coming at you from inside the crib. Gotta finish this video up inside the house, man. It's funny, I'm recording this video about the aftermath of Helene, and we got this rainstorm coming through, so I can't even record outside and really show you guys exactly where I'm at right now on these projects and what I have going on. But what I can do is let y'all know exactly what's up and where I've been and what I've been going through. So needless to say, Hurricane Helene threw me off track big time. It put me behind so bad. And the thing about being behind and trying to be productive is you have work you have to get done that you should have already gotten done. But you also have work that is waiting to come in because that was the plan before you were thrown behind. So seeing as how this is how I pay my bills, it's not ideal for me to be out of work for a month or so, trying to get my situation back together to even be able to work. Not to mention one of the customers' cars getting hit by a tree. It's just been a lot going on. So we had 3 trees down in the front yard. We had 5 trees down in the backyard. Majority of the trees in the backyard was in my work area. So I had to literally play lumberjack for a month or so after the storm, getting the trees up and getting the yard cleared, and still wasn't even able to get finished. Still had to get Samaritan Purse came by and finished the yard up for me because of the fact that I hurt my back. So I couldn't finish getting the trees to the road. So they came through and helped me out with that. Big shout out to the Samaritan Purse for that. Because if it wasn't for them, I probably wouldn't have gotten the yard cleared nearly as fast, and probably would have had to come out of the pocket to pay some of these people to come through with a skid steer and get this stuff out of the yard. So they were a big help, and that kind of got me on track. I got some pictures of, a work van I painted after the storm. I've done like a small bumper repair on a Hyundai. Couple things, and then also I got a ton of projects going on in the yard right now. So I want to catch you guys up. I want to get this content out before the end of the year so I can roll into the new year moving forward and at least try to feel less in a slump, if that makes sense. Because if I can get this content out, then that'll internally help me to feel like I have jumped over a big hurdle, because I got like pictures and stuff, and going through that storm and not having power for 14 days was really depressing. So I didn't do a ton of recording. I'm just mainly trying to keep good spirits for the family and stuff. So like I said, but I do have pictures. My wife has some pictures on her phone of, you know, some storm damage and this, that, and the third. So I figured I could at least put together a decent video to show you guys where I've been and what's been going on and where we're going to go forward moving from here. So further ado, I'm going to go ahead and roll those pictures and I'll be back with you guys.